topic today? Can you guess?
I think
It's a story of yes, it's a story of animals. The rabbit and the lion story. First I would like to say new words. Okay? From the story, I am going to say new words. What is this? Agreement. Agreement. Second one, demand. What is this? Demand. What is the spelling of demand? D-E-M-A-N-D. Demand. What is the third one? Reflection. What is the spelling of reflection? R-E-F-L-E-C-T-I-O-N. Reflection. What is fourth one? Raise. R-A-Z-E. Raise. What is the fifth one? Outwitted. O-U-T. Out. W-I-T-T-E-D. Witted. Outwitted. Sixth one. What is the sixth one? Glee. G-L-E-E. Glee. How many new words are there? Six new words. What are they? Agreement, demand, reflection, raise, outwitted, glee. Okay? So, once upon a time, there is a jungle. What is this? Jungle. In jungle, can you see the animals? Can you see the animals? Yes. So, in this jungle, I have two friends. Do you know my friends? Do you know my friends? Yes, one friend is the lion. My friend, one friend is lion. Other friend is rabbit. How many friends are there to me? Two friends. One is the lion. Other one is the rabbit. Do you know the story of these two? Yes, I will tell you. Listen carefully. Again, I will ask you some questions also. Okay? Okay. Once upon a time, in the jungle, the animals are living in the jungle. In jungle, the lion is the king of the jungle. Do you know who is the king? Lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. So, this lion used to come every day into the jungle to eat the animals every day. When it is so hungry, it likes to eat the animals. The lion will hunt the animals and eat away. So every day the lion is coming into the jungle. So all shiver. What they are getting?
Shiver.
Shiver. Why? Because this lion will kill the animals every day. So they got the shivering by seeing this lion every day. The lion is going to eat every animal. So they thought that why we have to sweat by seeing the lion every day. We can go near the lion and we can kill every day by one. Then no fear will be to us. So these animals discussed. So they gathered one place and discussing together. After discussing, what did they recognize that? What did they think? Every day, one by one, we can go near the lion's den. So this whatever they thought, they told to the lion. So lion agreed with the agreement. See here, you can see the agreement. Yes? Yes. They agreemented with the lion. Who agreemented with the lion? Animals. All the animals agreemented with the lion. So every day, one by one, they are going near the den. So all the animals are there. So every day they are going one by one near to the lion's den. So at last one rabbit turn came for going near den. So rabbit is very intelligent. Rabbit is very intelligent. So she is going slowly near to the lion's den. So in middle she slept. The rabbit was slept. Again in his dream he has to go near the lion. He thought and he woke up and he is going slowly to the lion's den. To the lion's den. Rabbit is going near lion's den. So at last rabbit reached near den. So the lion is very angry by seeing the rabbit. Why? Why it is so angry? Yes, this rabbit went very late near to the lion. So lion is so hungry on that day. So this rabbit came slowly. So lion got very angry. So after that, lion asked to the rabbit. Lion asked to the rabbit. What did she ask? What did the lion ask to the rabbit?
Why you are coming so late?
Yes, why you are coming so late? And like that, lion told and roaring loudly. So rabbit, what did rabbit say? Rabbit told, in the jungle, another lion is there in the jungle. So I came late to the den. So lion told, no, nothing will be happened. I am only the single king in this jungle. The lion told to the rabbit. So rabbit told, no, another lion is there. That's what I came near you so late. So rabbit told to the lion. Lion told, okay, you take near that lion. I will also see the lion. So asked it to the rabbit. So rabbit took near the well. Can you see here? Rabbit took near to the well. Rabbit told, you look into the well. You stand near the well and look inside. There is another lion in the well. So this lion looked into the well. When lion see into the water, lion saw his own reflection in the water. So, but lion don't know that is a lion's reflection. So, rabbit told, see, did you see inside? So, you saw inside, so another animal of lion is there. So, did you believe my words? Rabbit told to the lion. Yes, another lion is there inside. Like that, lion is roaring loudly. And lion jumped inside the well. Lion jumped inside the well. At last, what happened? Lion was dead. Lion was dead. So this rabbit went near went near the animals. This rabbit went happily near the animals. What did rabbit say to the animals? Yes, I killed the lion in the way of showing into the well and I killed the animal. So these animals all are being so happily and living in the forest. So I will ask you the questions. Okay? Who is the king of the forest? Lion. Sirisha ma'am? Who will be in the jungle?
All the animals.
All the animals. Human beings will be living in jungle?
No.
No. Yes. Gausya ma'am. Who is the king of the forest? Lion. Lion is the king of the forest. Vijaya ma'am.
This.
Who killed the lion? Yes, rabbit killed the lion. So rabbit is intelligent or not? Yes, rabbit is very intelligent. So once again I will repeat the new words. Agreement. A G R E E M E N T. Agreement. Demand. D E M A N D. Demand. Reflection. R E F L E C T I O N. Reflection. Raise. R A G E. Raise. Outwitted. O U T. Out. W I T T E D. Witted. Outwitted. Glee. G L E E. Glee. So here what is this picture? Rabbit. Spell the rabbit spelling. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. What is this picture? Lion. Spell the lion spelling.
L-I-O-N.
Lion. So did you observe your story? This is a jungle and animals are living in the jungle. One day rabbit's turn came. So rabbit went near the lion. So rabbit took the lion near the well and lion saw his reflection inside and he thought another lion is there inside and he jumped into the well. At last they were enjoyed. So recall was completed. Already I asked you previous thing. And identification is there. Explanation also is done. Home fun. Today's home fun. Read the new words and the